Okay, this video is going to show you how to raise your quiz score so you can raise your overall research score in the WhiteBox Learning engineering systems. So this will work for any of our modules. I'm going to look at the Mousetrap Car 2.0 module. As you're going through your research, you're taking quizzes. And so here, my mechanisms quiz, I got an 86% on that, and that's not bad, but it is affecting the number of points I can carry from one level to the next. So there is this button right here where you can click that to retake the quiz itself, or when you're reviewing your overall journal and you're looking in the grade book, you can click a retake on any quiz that's not 100%. So if I click retake here, it does remind me that, hey, you get a one chance at this. And it says that, on your next attempt, that's going to be your final score, even if we had a better score in the previous attempt. So before you hit retake your test, make sure you do some research. Make sure you look over the components. So in our case here, this is mechanisms, and you would want to review all of this content under mechanisms before you go and retake that quiz. And then when you feel you're ready and you understand what it is that you missed on the quiz, go ahead and go into quiz, hit retake, and retake now, and then go ahead and take your quiz. So good luck with that. Hopefully you can raise your score doing that.